I am Pujendani. Today I am doing the practical memory and storage element. Specifically, I do the practical gated latch. You see the this. This is the gated latch circuit. We use the NAND gate. So this gate is converted to by using the De Morgan's theorem. Also, NAND gate. This is the our modified circuit. D is the one of the input. Another one is enable switch. These are the inputs and output. According to this figure, we connect the circuit in this breadboard and we turn on the power supply. This is the enable. This is the enable switch channel. This is the data pin channel. Now we give the one input and data pin is also one. Our output is here enable switch is I give logic 1 and data pin is logic 0. So 1 0 mean Q is turn off, Q bar is turn on. Next one is data pin also 0. Data pin also logic 1. Now we change the enable and data pin 1 and 0. Now we change the enable pin is logic gate 1 and data pin is also 1. Here you Q is on, Q bar is 0. Now we change the data pin 0. Now you see Q bar is turn on, Q is off. Then we enable switch is 0. That time no change. No change means we get the output in last table. For this is the working principle of our gated delay. Thank you.